Hello and welcome to Daily Market Wrap, your go-to show for the latest updates on the Indian stock market. Today, we'll dive into the key events, market movers, and insights that shaped the trading day. In a shocking turn of events, an IIT-trained hacker and his associate have been arrested for a stock advisory scam linked to a Cambodia cybercrime network. They allegedly duped investors of at least rupees 22 lakh. The duo created fake advisory groups on platforms like Telegram and WhatsApp, luring victims with fraudulent investment tips. Their operations involved complex money laundering through shell companies and cryptocurrencies. Rajesh Palvia from Axis Securities shares insights on the current market scenario. He notes that the Nifty is consolidating, with key support levels at 24,800. He recommends buying Chennai Petro and Coal India, projecting targets of 740 and 435 respectively, with specific stop loss levels to manage risk. Indian equity benchmarks Sensex and Nifty 50 faced a significant decline today, with the Sensex dropping 873 points and Nifty slipping below 24,700. The fall was attributed to weak global cues, profit booking, and cautious sentiment among institutional investors, leading to a total market capitalization drop of rupees 5.13 lakh crore. Embassy Office Parks REIT has successfully raised rupees 2,000 crores through non-convertible debentures, priced at an interest rate of 7.21% for 3 years. The funds will be used to refinance existing debt obligations, showcasing the REIT's robust balance sheet and commitment to capital management strategies. As the market prepares for its next rally, investors are advised to focus on mid-cap stocks. 7 mid-cap stocks have been identified with an upside potential of up to 48%. Investors should consider factors like return on capital employed and low debt levels when selecting mid-cap companies for their portfolios. Eternal shares could face significant selling pressure as the company moves towards becoming an Indian-owned and controlled company. This could trigger an estimated outflow of $1.3 billion. The conversion process has raised concerns about MSCI exclusion, which could further impact the stock's performance in the market. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, warns that the recent downgrade of the US's credit rating signals a looming economic crisis, potentially as severe as the Great Depression. He advises individuals to invest in gold, silver, and Bitcoin, emphasizing the importance of preparing for turbulent economic times ahead. Page Industries has set May 21 as the record date for its rupees 200 dividend. Industries has announced a total share reflecting its strong performance. Moody's downgrade of the US's credit rating has created short-term challenges for Indian IT stocks, which have enjoyed a strong rally recently. European stocks edged up today, supported by utilities and telecom firms, as investors await updates on UST tariff policy affecting the global economy. In summary, today's market was influenced by various factors, including significant declines in major indices, stock recommendations, and global economic concerns. Stay tuned for more updates. Analysts suggest trailing stop losses on overextended IT stocks while focusing on companies inclined towards generative AI and cloud computing for future investments. The Pan-European Sensex 600 index rose by 0.2%, hovering at a 7-week high amid cautious market sentiment. Let's take a closer look at how our key indices performed today. The markets faced some pressure, with declines across the board. We'll explore the Nifty 50, BSE Sensex, Nifty Bank, and Nifty 500 to understand the key movers and technical levels that shaped today's trading. The Nifty 50 closed at 24,684, down by 261 points. Over the past year, it has gained approximately 10%. Today's market breadth was quite unfavorable, with only 7 stocks advancing against 43 that declined. The index is currently near its 52-week high of 26,277. The BSE Sensex ended the day at 81,186, reflecting a drop of 873 points. This index has also seen a yearly gain of around 10%. With only 2 stocks advancing and 28 declining, the market breadth was heavily skewed. The 52-week high stands at 85,978. Closing at 54,877, the Nifty Bank fell by 543 points today. Over the last year, it has appreciated by nearly 14%. The market breadth was similarly negative, with just 1 stock advancing while 11 declined. The index is approaching its 52-week high of 56,098. The Nifty 500 settled at 22,586, down by 280 points. This index has shown a yearly increase of about 7%. The advanced decline ratio was quite stark, with 91 stocks advancing and 409 declining. The 52-week high for this index is 24,573. In summary, all major indices faced declines today, reflecting a challenging market environment. The advanced decline ratios indicate a significant bearish sentiment. Let's walk through today's top gainers, highlighting the stocks that have made significant strides in the market. Nugan Software Technologies Limited has seen a remarkable rise, closing at Rs 1,335, up by 187 rupees. With a market cap of 18,901 crore rupees, the stock has delivered impressive returns of approximately 15% over the past week. Pfizer Limited's stock surged to Rs 4,950, gaining 482 rupees. The company, with a market cap of 22,644 crore rupees, recently signed a significant licensing deal worth about $6 billion, which could further boost its performance. CCL Products India Limited closed at Rs 830.70, marking an increase of 72.6 rupees. With a market cap of 11,092 crore rupees, the stock has shown strong growth, with returns of around 15% in the last week. BSF India Limited's stock price reached Rs 5,304, up by 401 rupees. The company boasts a market cap of 22,960 crore rupees and has experienced a solid performance with returns of approximately 16% over the past week. Zensar Technologies Limited ended the day at Rs 840.60, gaining 53.3 rupees. With a market cap of 19,091 crore rupees, the stock has shown a steady performance, with returns of around 9% in the last week. Today's top gainers reflect a strong market sentiment with significant movements across various sectors. Now let's focus on the stocks that faced significant declines today, reflecting the market's shifting dynamics. Dormes Industries Limited saw a notable drop, closing at Rs 2,549, down by 249 rupees. With a market cap of 15,468 crore rupees, the stock has struggled recently, showing a one-week decline of 8.88%. Cochin Shipyard Limited also faced a setback, ending the day at Rs 1,818, down by 165 rupees. The market cap stands at 47,818 crore rupees. Interestingly, the stock had a strong one-month performance, gaining 25.37% before today's decline. Bajaj Holdings Investment Limited dropped to Rs 12,932, a decrease of 1,041 rupees. With a market cap of 1,43,925 crore rupees, this stock has shown impressive yearly returns of 56.21% despite today's loss. RITES Limited closed at Rs 275.45, down by 19.49 rupees. The market cap is 13,238 crore rupees. Over the past week, RITES had been performing well, gaining 18.16% before this decline. Finally, HEG Limited ended the day at Rs 494.45, down by 34.26 rupees. With a market cap of 9,542 crore rupees, HEG has had a mixed performance, showing a one-year return of negative 0.52%. Today's top losers reflect a mix of profit booking and market corrections, highlighting the volatility in investor sentiment. Let's walk through the exciting world of stocks reaching new 52-week highs. This segment highlights stocks that have shown remarkable resilience and upward momentum, often indicating strong investor confidence and potential growth. We'll explore their performance metrics and the market dynamics that may have influenced these milestones. Autumn Investment Infrastructure Limited has reached a new high of 2,278 rupees today. With a market cap of 37,731 crore rupees, the stock has seen a significant one-day increase of 2.31%. Over the past year, it has surged an impressive 153%. Redington Limited has hit a new peak at 306.99 rupees. The stock's market cap stands at 22,097 crore rupees with a trading volume of over 18 million shares today. Despite a modest one-day gain of 0.89%, it has shown a robust one-year performance of approximately 34%. Shree Cements Limited reached a high of 31,920 rupees. The stock currently holds a market cap of 1,13,745 crore rupees. Although it experienced a slight decline of 0.24% today, its one-year return remains strong at nearly 20%. APL Apollo Tubes Limited has achieved a new high of 1,823 rupees. With a market cap of 49,802 crore rupees, the stock traded over 500,000 shares today. Despite a minor drop of 0.64%, it has shown a solid one-year return of approximately 8%. BSE Limited has reached a new high of 7,588 rupees. The stock boasts a market cap of 99,982 crore rupees, with a staggering trading volume of over 32 million shares today. Although it faced a decline of 0.99%, its one-year performance is remarkable at around 164%. In summary, these stocks have demonstrated impressive performance, reflecting strong market sentiment and potential for future growth. Let's walk through the stocks that have hit new 52-week lows today. This segment is crucial as it highlights stocks that may be facing significant bearish pressure. A 52-week low can indicate potential support levels or a shift in market sentiment, making it essential for investors to stay informed. Now let's focus on Vodafone Idea Limited, which closed at 6.55 rupees, down by 2.53% today. The stock has a market cap of 70,965 crore rupees and a trading volume of over 86 million shares. Over the past year, it has seen a staggering decline of approximately 51%. In summary, today's new 52-week lows reflect significant market movements that investors should closely monitor. As we dive into today's sector performance, it's clear that market dynamics are shifting. Investors are keenly observing sector rotations, which can often signal broader economic trends. Let's explore how various sectors fared in today's trading session. Unfortunately, there were no top-performing sectors today, indicating a challenging environment for investors. This lack of upward movement suggests a cautious sentiment prevailing in the market, as traders await clearer signals for potential recovery. Kicking off with the Nifty India defense sector, it faced a notable decline, down by 2.38%. Despite a strong 1-month and 3-month performance, profit booking seems to have taken precedence today. Next, the Nifty India consumption sector slipped by 1.77%, reflecting ongoing concerns about consumer spending trends. Lastly, the Nifty MNC sector saw a decline of 1.39% as global uncertainties weigh on multinational companies. In summary, today's market saw no sectors in the green, with notable declines across the board. This trend highlights the cautious approach investors are taking amidst fluctuating economic signals. Let's now shift our focus to the key market movers of the day. Let's dive into today's sector performance to identify where institutional money is flowing. The Nifty India defense sector faced a decline of 2.38% today. Leading the downturn was Cochin Shipyard Limited, which dropped 8.31%, closing at rupees 1,818. Following closely was Paras Defence and Space Technologies Limited, down 6.5% at rupees 1,597. Data Patterns India Limited also struggled, falling 5.8% to rupees 2,639. Other notable laggards included Unimec Aerospace and Manufacturing Limited and DCX Systems Limited on down 5.06 and 4.41% respectively. Next, we have the Nifty India consumption sector, which declined by 1.77%. Eternal Limited led the losses down 4.1%, trading at rupees 228.28. Hero Motocorp Limited followed, falling 3.33% to rupees 4,242. Bajaj Auto Limited also faced a setback, down 3.24% at rupees 8,565. Avenue Supermarts Limited and Colgate Palmolive India Limited were not far behind, declining 3.22 and 3.03% respectively. Lastly, the Nifty MNC sector saw a decrease of 1.39%. Linde India Limited was the top loser here, down 3.67%, closing at rupees 7,042. Timken India Limited followed, declining 3.49% to rupees 2,981. Colgate Palmolive India Limited, which we mentioned earlier, also contributed to the decline, down 3.03%. Other significant declines included Honeywell Automation India Limited and Maruti Suzuki India Limited, down 2.84 and 2.71% respectively. In summary, today's sector rotation highlighted a clear trend of declines across the board, particularly in the defense and consumption sectors. This sets the stage for our next segment. Analyst recommendations play a crucial role in guiding investor decisions, providing insights into market sentiment and potential stock performance. First up, we have Karur Vysya Bank receiving a buy recommendation from ICICI Securities. The current price stands at rupees 228.8 with a previous price of rupees 225. The target price is set at rupees 300, indicating a potential upside of approximately 31%. Analysts believe the bank's strong fundamentals and growth prospects make it an attractive investment. Next, we turn our attention to Premier Energies, also rated as a buy by ICICI Securities. The stock is currently priced at rupees 1060.95, down from a previous price of rupees 1090. The target price is projected at rupees 1320, suggesting a potential upside of around 24%. Analysts highlight the company's robust market position and growth trajectory in the renewable energy sector. Lastly, we have Zentech receiving a buy recommendation from ICICI Securities as well. The current price is rupees 1898, slightly up from rupees 1885 at the time of the recommendation. The target price is set at rupees 2310, indicating a potential upside of approximately 22%. Analysts are optimistic about Zentech's innovative solutions and expanding market share. In summary, today's recommendations highlight strong buy opportunities, reflecting positive sentiment in the market. Now let's turn to stocks displaying bullish technical patterns that could indicate potential upward momentum. These signals are crucial for traders looking to capitalize on market movements. First up, we have DB International Stockbrokers Limited, trading at rupees 28.71. The stock has triggered an RSI crossover, with the current RSI below 20. This breach suggests a significant shift in market sentiment, indicating potential upward momentum. Next, let's look at Ramchandra Leasing and Finance Limited is currently priced at rupees 3.35. This stock has generated a golden cross signal, as the 50-day simple moving average has crossed above the 200-day simple moving average. This condition often points to a bullish trend, warranting closer attention. Moving on to SIS Limited, with the last traded price of rupees 334.15. The stock has shown a stochastic crossover, where the fast stochastic has crossed above the slow stochastic. This indicates a potential shift in price momentum, suggesting a bullish outlook. Now, let's discuss Pearl Global Industries Limited, trading at rupees 1219.05. The stock has experienced a Bollinger Band crossover, with the price crossing above the lower Bollinger Band. This movement indicates a potential reversal from bearish pressure, signaling positive momentum. Finally, we have Mansi Finance Chennai Limited, priced at rupees 63.24. This stock has also triggered a Bollinger Band crossover, as the price has broken above the upper Bollinger Band. This strong bullish signal suggests significant upward momentum ahead. In summary, these bullish signals highlight potential opportunities for traders looking to engage with the market's upward movements. Let's now examine stocks displaying bearish technical patterns that traders should approach with caution. These signals can indicate potential downward price movements, making it crucial for investors to stay alert. First up is India Nivesh Limited, trading at Rs 11.45. The stock has triggered a SMA crossover signal as the last traded price has crossed below the 50-day simple moving average. This momentum condition suggests a negative trend, indicating potential downside risks for traders. Next, we have Torrent Power Limited, currently priced at Rs 1390.4. The stock has generated an RSI crossover signal, with the current RSI crossing below 70. This breach of a critical level signals a shift in market sentiment, hinting at possible further declines. Moving on to Blue Chip Tex Industries Limited, trading at Rs 160.2. This stock has experienced a death cross as the 50-day simple moving average has fallen below the 200-day simple moving average. This technical signal raises concerns about future price weakness, warranting caution from investors. Now let's discuss Godfrey Phillips India Limited with a last traded price of Rs 8,626. The stock has triggered an RSI crossover signal as the current RSI has surged above 80. This indicates an overbought condition, suggesting a potential reversal and further downside risks. Finally, we have Basel International Limited, priced at Rs 77. This stock has also generated a SMA crossover signal, with the last traded price crossing below the 20-day simple moving average. This momentum condition indicates a bearish trend, signaling traders to be cautious.